पोजिंग हो रही है जो।
Yes, mom.
और ये मम्मी की गुजिया भी खा लो। चाय का रंग बड़ा अच्छा है। मम्मी को दे दो एक।
Mama, हिंदी का होमवर्क पहले कर लूँ?
And it's like semi-sweet. It's not salty or sweet. It's just in between.
Hi and welcome to my video. This week I'm sharing a recipe for a puffed rice snack known as Chivda. This is neither sweet nor salty. And as I'm sure you can tell, this was not filmed in our Toronto kitchen. It was filmed back in Ambala.
It's puffy and nice and light. I like the curry patta. I can taste coconut in it.
Now, back when Mummy made her gujia, there was quite a bit of stuffing left over, so I decided to put it to good use.
Very nice. Perfect. 100 में से 105. अभी बात करते हैं.
Start by tempering curry leaves in hot oil.
That day जब आपने गुजिया बनाई तो थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ था. चीनी है तो अगर इसमें है तो मैं नहीं डाल दूँगी.
Once they are aromatic, take them out of the oil and put them aside. Next, roast the gujia stuffing in the same oil. If you're not sure how to combine these ingredients, then check out Mummy's gujia video, which I have already linked in the cards. And then once those have fried for a few minutes and roasted nicely, take them out of the karai and put them aside. The gujia stuffing will have absorbed all of the oil, so you're going to have to add some more ghee or some more oil at this point. And then it's time to add the spices. You can adjust these as per your taste. The turmeric, in fact, is really only added for the color, and if you don't have red chili powder, then you could add whole dried chilies. That would be fine too. Then it's time to add some peanuts or any other nut of your choice, plus the curry leaves that you've already fried and the roasted gujia stuffing. You'll also have to adjust the salt according to your taste, and once you've done that and combined everything very thoroughly, it's time to add the puffed rice.
You were there, I think. Using many. I'm just gonna try to do this.
It's puffy and nice and light. I like the curry patta. I can taste coconut in it.
Now, once you've added all of this into your karai or wok, it's really only a matter of combining everything until it has an even color. Now, as I mentioned, this isn't really sweet or salty, so you can adjust it either way depending on what you like. And if you don't have all the ingredients for the gujia stuffing, just add what you have. This is a really forgiving recipe. It's not even a recipe. Just throw some stuff together, toast it. It'll be super yummy. Now, this chana masala is next week's recipe, so definitely hit the subscribe button. And as usual, thank you for watching and supporting this channel. I will see you next week with another recipe. Bye-bye.